Alright guys, let me show you how you can unlock your Pi balance from being locked in 2 years, 3 years, and it will reduce to 2 weeks. It might sound crazy, but that's the real fact. That's the real truth. So let me show you how you can unlock your Pi balance and be able to sell your Pi and make some cool cash. So let's dive in to the video. Log into my Pi browser and show you some stuff. So let me go to my wallet. Let me go to my wallet. So if your Pi is locked, so I cannot transfer it or sell it to make money since Pi has been launched. So this is my locked Pi. So my locked Pi is 115.59 something. Yeah, and it's locked until 2027. So until 2027. So what am I going to do? So which means before I can claim this Pi now, it will take me up to 3 months, up to 3 years to claim this Pi or sell it. So what am I going to do? There is a trick that I saw that will help you to unlock your Pi balance, and you can be able to sell it then it will show on your available balance here. You can be able to sell it and make some cool cash from it. So let me show you how you can run this stuff. So go to your file app. So what you are going to do now is to go to click on your your left icon at the top. So click on it, click on mainnet, click on mainnet, then scroll down to your configure lockup rate. So you click there. So actually I've did this one before, so let me show you. So this is, I can choose to increase this to 100%, then lockup percentage is 100%, then I can choose to do it for 3 years. So this is 3 years now. So this is 3 years now. So if I want it to be 2 years, to be 3 years, 1 year, 6 months, then I can decide to choose 6 months. If you choose 6 months, which means your lockup Pi will be locked up for 6 months, and the lockup percentage here is 100%, which means 100% of what you have will be locked. So if you reduce the lockup percentage to 50, which means 50% of your Pi will be locked. Then the same applies to 25%. So I'm going to choose, for this tutorial, I'm going to choose 6 months here, or you can choose 2 weeks, which I have already done. So let me choose 6 months here. Okay, for the case of this video, you can choose 2 weeks. Yeah, you can choose 2 weeks. So or depends on how you want to set it from. So 2 weeks here, and the lockup percentage will be 50%. I've already chosen 50% here, so increase your commitment. So success. So if you found this video interesting or educative, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new update.